Hello, my dear student. Welcome back on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com, and it is the third part of the chapter The Fighter of Class 6. So let's see and listen the next part of the chapter. Uh, no, no, but don't forget Rahul. I, the captain, and you are the 12th man. Remember, Imran taunted. Okay, taunted means mocked. Okay, mocked means a light smile that express the feeling of tease. Okay, so when the Rahul suggested that in the first inning, when we won the toss, then we have to take the batting. Okay, but Imran is not supported him, and he says and warned him that he is the captain of the team, and Rahul is the 12th player of the team. So Rahul became Rahul became face turned red and he walked out of the room. Okay, it means Rahul face became red. It means he became angry and he walked out of the rooms wherever the meeting is held. Okay, the next day, Srinivas, the best all-rounder of the team, did not report. It means the a player that name was the Srinivas. He was unable to attend the cricket or a final match. Why? Because he had sprained his ankle. Sprained means a pain. Okay, he pained his ankles and was out of the action. It means he didn't play the match. Rahul also an all-rounder was the automatic replacement. Okay, and in place of the Srinivas, the Rahul in place of the Srinivas because he was the all-rounder. Okay, so James, the rival captain, won the toss and elected to field. And the opposition of the team name is and VHS. Okay, the captain of VHS is James. Okay, and he won the toss and he decided to take the fielding. Okay, he select the fielding uh, after the won the toss. Okay, and now it was a 30 over match. Grage and Sadiq opened the innings. In the very second over, both were out. Imran held one end up us as wicket tumbled at the other end at the regular intervals. It means here is the it was a 30 over match. It means the match of the final will be held on 30 overs, and Grage and Sadiq both are the opener ballebaj, and Sadiq has a opening striker, and the second is Sadiq. Grage is a striker and Sadiq is a non-striker. So in the beginning, they both are the attend the field and present on the crease, and Imran held but in very second over. Okay, very second over, both were out. It means Grage and Sadiq both are became out, and the Imran held one end up as wickets tumbled. Okay, it means the after the wicket of Grage and Sadiq, the Imran stand and stop the wicket in a one side, at the other end at the regular intervals, and other side the whole players will downfall one by one. Rahul came into bat when the score was 97 for 7 in 33 overs. It means when the progress of the 33 overs, the run is 97 after the wicket 7. Okay, Imran was playing on a well made 43 2 overs later. Okay, it means the Imran is a good batsman and he will will play, and he made a 43 runs 2 overs later, and Imran then at 49 draw the ball to mid on and took off. Okay, mid on, in the figures that you can see here, mid on, you have see, it is the mid on, this part is the mid on. So Imran pushed the ball or draw the ball uh, on the mid on, uh, and took off. In his hurry to reach the landmark of 50, he did not realize that the fielder at the mid on. It means when the Imran push the ball and play the ball mid on, that he did not notice there is a fielder. Okay, so he ran in the near about 50. Okay, landmark of the 50, and he did not realize that the fielder at the mid on had dived means to cover the ball and bought of a great save. It means he save of the 4 runs. Okay, Rahul realized that the run was suicidal. It means Rahul know very well that if he ran to take the run, then he became out. So yelled no, but by then Imran was halfway. Okay, it means the Rahul tried to stop the Imran to stand on the strike, but the Imran is ran from the midway, halfway, so he did not return back at the strike. Okay, so as he turned, the VHS wicketkeeper and wiped the bails off. Okay, wiped the bails off means stuck the two small pieces of the wood laid across the top of the stumps very quickly. It means the wicketkeeper flying push the stumps, and both are the small small pieces of the wood became fly in the air, and this situation indicates that the Imran was out. Okay, so it is very difficult for the Imran. While walking back to the pavilion, Imran glared, glared at the Rahul. It means he stared the Rahul, who simply shrugged. Okay, who simply shrugged. Shrugged means uh, go back at his position. Okay, Rahul too followed Imran in the next over, and the NPS team was bundled out for 123. It means 123 in the 26th over. Okay, it means the team of NPS, okay, became bundled means completely out to make the run of 123 in over of 26. Okay, it means 4 over each remain, the all wicket will be fall down. That's clear. Now next, during lunch, Imran confronted Rahul. Listen, I know you are trying to spite me because of the argument we had yesterday, but remember, it is the team which comes first. Rahul was shocked. He couldn't not imagine Imran even thinking that he would get him out of the purpose. Okay, so during the lunch, it means when the NPS, okay, NPS team will play make a 123 runs in a 26 over, and after the lunch they taking the lunch, and then the both of the person Imran and Rahul will come front to front. Okay, and Imran wanted to the Rahul that listen, I know you are trying to spite me. Okay, spite means you are jealous me. Spite means jealous. Okay, jealous to me because of the argument. Why? Because I discussing to you in the study. So but remember, it is the team which comes first. Okay. The both person, Imran wanted to try to regarded him that it is the team, and team is very important for everyone. If you thinking about the quarreling or arguing study matter, then leave it. Okay. But Rahul was shocked, he completely shocked. Why? Because he could not imagine Imran even thinking. It means he didn't think that Imran was such type of the mean thinking. Okay. And that he would get him out of purpose. And he turned the aim of the other side. It means he wanted to downfall of the Rahul's reputation. Okay. So Rahul had a reason to feel hurt. After the statement of the Imran, the Rahul became hurt. Okay. The whole school knew what a fighter Rahul was. It means everyone know very well that the Rahul was a great player and a good fighter. In fact, he was a brilliant fielder. He was not hugely talented. Okay. It means everyone know that the Rahul was a brilliant player and a brilliant fielder. He always tried to his best, but here is he was not a hugely talented. It means he is not a completely skillful. Okay. He really speculated in the field with huge score or achieved sensational uh, breakthroughs with a bowling. But when the chips were down, he was ever ready to contribute his might either with the bat or with the ball and in the field. Okay. It means the Rahul was all rounder. Okay. And he played in every field, just like that. When the team is in a trouble, then he played well, just like that. He showing his result in a batting, showing his result in a bowling, and showing his result in a fielding. In every way he represent himself to get the success or a come out from the trouble of the team. Okay. It is her achievement, it is her his contribution. Okay. And everyone know that he was fighter in the true sense of the word. It means in a one word we can say that the Rahul is a fighter. It means he is a good fighter, and in the true sense of the word. Okay. Next, Rahul was stung by the Imran remarks, but he didn't not react. Okay. Stung means he completely hurt. Okay. Rahul was completely hurt by the Imran's comment, but he didn't react. Okay. He did not want to create a problem during the argument of the Imran's and warning of after the Imran. Okay. And he decided that he would let his performance on the field do the talking. It means Rahul wanted to show his quality, show his skill in the field, not in front of the Imran. And he, after the showing his quality or skill, he will talking to the Imran. So this is the quality of the best player, that who think about such type of the thought. If you want to showing his quality, you want to express his quality, and showing that you are no loser, you are best players or you are best person, then you have to express your uh, field, that is you are specialist. So Rahul is wanted to express his quality in front of the whole person of the team. It means NPS team and VHS team. Okay. So I think it is enough for you. I will explain in the next part of the chapters. So thank you for the watching video.